How to create a checklist in Google Sheets. Hi guys, let's get started right away. So the first thing you want to do is to be on your Google Sheets. Now for this video, we're going to concentrate on three things. We're going to concentrate on the tasks, we're going to concentrate on checkbox, and then we're going to be concentrating on the status of your tasks. So go ahead and write down the tasks you like to keep track of. Now the next thing guys would be highlighting the rows and columns that we'll be using today. We're going to be inserting like a table, and to do that you need to go to the top of your screen where you see borders and tap on it. Now you're going to be tapping on the first option to insert the table that we need. Now guys, you want to highlight the fields you would like to add the checkbox into. The next thing is to go to the top of your screen, and then you want to click on insert, and then scroll to where you see checkbox and tap on it. Now we're moving over to the status of the checkbox, and to do this it needs to have a command. Now for the command, all you need to do is to type in the command on your screen, which is equal to, then type in if, open a bracket, click on your first checkbox, and then you want to type in equal to again. Then type in true on your keypad, true, and then you want to give a comma. And now guys, you're going to be opening Speechmat and type in done, close the Speechmat, type in a comma, and then you want to open a Speechmat again and type pending and close the Speechmat, and now you want to close the bracket. And this is what you should be looking like. You want to click on enter, and you will notice because the checkbox is not clicked, it's going to be writing there pending, and immediately you click on the checkbox, it's going to be changed into done. Now to apply this same command to the rest of the fields, all you need to do is to go to the first field you typed in the command, and then you want to highlight throughout the remaining field, and whenever you tick a box it changes from pending to done. And guys, this is how easy it is to create a checklist in Google Sheets. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.